Meaning of Generation X.
Generation X.
Generation X.
Generation X.
Generation X. Generation X refers to the demographic cohort born between the mid-1960s and early 1980s. This group is often characterized as independent, adaptable, and skeptical of institutions. They grew up during a time of social and economic change, including the rise of technology and globalization. As a result, they are often seen as more individualistic and pragmatic than previous generations. Despite being overshadowed by the larger baby boom generation, Generation X has had a significant impact on culture and society, and continues to shape the world today.